Hello, children. We are going to learn the second chapter of grammar adjectives. What is an adjective? There are an ocean of adjectives, so it would be difficult to just directly identify them. So it would be good. So it would be good option to classify them so that it would be much more simpler to identify the adjectives. Let's see the adjectives. Descriptive adjective. What is called descriptive adjective? These are the adjectives are like the general ones which describes both nouns and pronouns. That is, they are typical adjectives in general. Examples of descriptive adjectives are: the small puppy was found yesterday. Here, small is descriptive word. It is used here as an adjective. And you look smart in a blue suit. Blue is an adjective. So these are the example of descriptive adjective. Now let's move to demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate means to show. These adjectives are like the general ones which demonstrate these, that, these, those. These type of adjectives are used to specify or indicate pronoun like these, that, those, these indirectly. They are used to point out the nouns or other object. Like, I love those paintings. These are my favorite colors. So here these paintings and colors, they are described by these. Demonstrate. That's why these are called demonstrative determiners. There is difference between demonstrative determiners and demonstrative pronoun. Let's see example. That is my book. Here that is not an adjective. Here it is demonstrative pronoun. But that book is yours. Here that is demonstrative adjective. As first one, after that there is helping verb, and in the second one after that there is noun. That's why this is called adjective and first one is called pronoun, as after that helping verbs we use. Now let's move to the next. Quantitative adjectives. This type of adjectives describes or gives quantity of noun or something. To be precise, it provides the information regarding how many, like the count. Let's see example. How many candies do you own? How many? So how is adjective we have used, and this is example of how many. Many is adjective of quantity, quantitative adjective. It is also called adjective of quantity. So this is the example, means some, much, many. These are the examples of quantitative adjectives. They are used with nouns. Now let's move to the next. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are the adjectives in which we use WH questioning words. Here also slight difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Let's see. They specify the question types regarding WH, like what, which, whose. It is important to know that these can be found before noun or pronoun. Difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Let's see the difference between both. Which is your book? Which is your book? This is an interrogative pronoun, as after which we have used there is. And which book do you like most? Which book do you like most? This is an interrogative adjective, because after which we have used noun. Let's see example. Which song shall I play on the speaker? So after which there is song. Song is a noun. And what type of dress do you want? These are the example of interrogative adjective. Let's move to the next. Emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives are, we have seen, is used to lay stress on noun that comes after it. So this is, we emphasize, we stress there. So this is called emphasizing adjectives. So let's see what is emphasizing adjective. The emphasizing adjectives lay stress on the preceding noun. The word used to emphasize a noun are called emphasizing adjectives. Very and over are, these are the words, very and over are the most commonly used emphasizing adjectives which are used to emphasize some idea. We say Mind your own business. Own is here, emphasizing. Mind your own language, emphasizing. So these are the examples of emphasizing. We lay stress on this. That's why this is called emphasizing adjective. Numeral adjective. Let's see what is numeral adjective. Adjective of number, this is also called adjective of number, are the adjectives that are used to depict either the number or the nouns of their position or place in certain order, or adjective which states the number of persons or things called adjective of number or numeral adjectives. I have got first rank, I have got second rank, I am having 3 books. So these are ordinals or cardinals number we are using. These are called adjective of numbers or numeral adjectives. Distributive. Distributive adjectives describe specific numbers out of group or single out one or more individual items of people. Everybody is present there. So each, every, we use, these are called distributive adjectives. Interrogative adjective, we have explained. Now, possessive adjective. Now let's see possessive adjective. Here also little difference between possessive determiner and possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, their, these are possessive adjectives. But mine, yours, hers, theirs, ours, these are possessive determiners. So this is a difference between both. After my, your, his, we put noun, but after mine, yours, we cannot use noun after mine, pen, yours, pen. This is wrong one. So this is a possessive adjective. This is my pen. This is my pen. So my is possessive adjective, and that is yours. So yours is a possessive pronoun. Here I have used that. This is demonstrative pronoun. But we are discussing right now about possessive adjective. Our school is very nice. So our is possessive adjective. Now let's move to the next. So this is the explanation of the adjective we have explained. But one thing I want to say here, that there is slight difference between adjectives and pronouns. After adjective we use nouns, but in pronouns we use auxiliaries or helping verbs. So this is the explanation of adjectives. I hope and trust you would like to learn this one and you have got the lesson adjective. Thank you very much.